In this video, I want to talk about how you can claim daily credit on Temu. Now you can see I'm on the PC, but this only works if you're on the phone, so make sure you download the Temu app. Now once you're in there, you want to open up your account and you want to look on your profile, and there will be one called daily rewards or play to win game or stuff like that in that nature. Then you want to simply click on it and you should be able to get a daily reward. Sometimes when you just open the app, it's gonna pop up immediately, like spin the wheel and stuff. And other times you have to kind of dig a little bit for it under your profile or at the search bar, but you should be able to find it pretty easily. Now that's about it, guys, and like I said, it only works from your phone, so make sure you download the phone app and make sure you have an active account, and that is it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.